Hey guys, for today's eye makeup look, I'm gonna show you how to create this look using two eyeshadow, one for the lid and one for the crease. It's a super easy look, so let's get started. I've already started by priming my eyelids with a little bit of primer. If you don't have an eyeshadow primer, you can always use concealer and a setting powder. For me, I like to use a primer over concealer. Now I'm taking this shade, which is the Emperor from BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and I'm just gonna blend this all over in the crease using the flat brush from Brilliant Tools. Now I'm taking this shade, which is the Aristocrat from BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to apply this all over the eyelid, and I'm just gonna blend this back and forth on the outer and inner corner of my eye. Then next I'm taking this shade again, which we'll use all the way at the beginning for all the way in the creased area, and I'm taking a tiny blending brush from G-Sap. And now I'm blending it also underneath the lower lash line to kinda make the same warmth underneath the lower lash line, you know, just like we have in the creased area. So I just keep blending and also kind of focusing to make the lower lash line connect with the eyeshadows in the outer V area. Next, for the liquid liner, I'm taking the W7 liquid liner and I'm going to create a little bit of a wing line. Then next, I'm just gonna quickly curl my lashes. Next, I'm taking the Wet n Wild eyeliner pencil and I'm just going to apply this on my upper and lower waterline. Then next, for the mascara, I'm taking the Mary Kay mascara and I apply this a tiny coat on the upper and lower lash line. Then finally, I'm taking the false lashes. This is from wish.com. I've been using this false lashes a couple of times because I really like it. Most of my makeup tutorial, I usually do my lashes off of the comb, but now I'm trying to show you guys how to apply the lashes perfectly. So this is the final result. I hope this video find helpful to you, especially for the beginners and wanted to know how to apply the eyeshadow. This video is perfect for you, and please let me know what you think about this video. Just comment down in the description box, and also don't forget to share this video and subscribe for more future videos. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.